I feel like I'm learning how to dance and I'm just falling over my face. A little easier? I'll make it a little harder. We're here to learn, Carlos. So Thanos was right.
Oh, he gone.
My name is Kyro. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, I'm gonna try 5 tricks that I've never tried before. I don't know what 5 tricks they are. I don't think anybody knows at this point.
No, we haven't talked about it yet.
You nervous?
No.
Because I am.
You're my guinea pig, and I'll make sure you get out here safely, okay? You're fine.
I'm dead.
I'm a bit nervous for you.
Seriously.
It's gonna be a learning experience. You're gonna grow a lot.
Oh no. Okay, if I land this heel flip, then it'll be good. If I don't, we're not in a good position. It's like kind of hard to tell. Do it? What? Okay. First trick.
So we're gonna do steps, but I wanna teach you the merry-go-round.
The what?
Here, I'll show you. I'll break it down the steps.
It's gonna be the whole video. Just learning that trick.
I know, that's what I'm saying. We're supposed to do 5?
Follow the proper steps, you'll be just fine, dude.
Okay, give me the skateboarding made simple method, bro.
All you need to know how to do this is front shove, no comply.
Okay, yeah, I got that. Now I got that. So, all day, go.
Have your hand behind your knee where it bends. Grab it.
Oh, you got that. Okay. Okay, all right.
You want to turn it into like a big spin motion now. So when you grab it, kind of like follow through with it as you're going, and then 180 your body.
First try.
Wow.
We're cooking, we're onto something here. This is where it gets a little complicated. As you're following through, you got to pass it to your other hand. We're almost there, okay? Like literally, we're about right around the corner. Hop, grab, switch hands.
Oh, I see.
And then what? I just want the whole, give me the whole dagger.
Here to here.
Yeah.
As you're passing it from there, you want to have your foot already on the tail so you can grab it and pull it around. And that's the merry-go-round.
Okay, I got this, dude. First try right here.
The merry-go-round.
Jamba Juice. I want the one with no sugar, okay?
Twist, switch hands, foot on the tail, and just follow through. You'll find
That's like the hardest.
I feel like I stretched my groin further than it should groin.
Now just clean it up a little bit.
Do it slower till it feels comfortable.
Ow! Start out slow. As you get comfortable, go faster. I feel like you're going the wrong direction. We're gonna count this on the level of like defense in a game of skate. Wow.
Whoa.
Is this on the Braille Army website? We need to put this so I can level up a trick. Dang it! Is that
That was
it?
basically it.
Kind of? A little bit faster, a little smoother? Dude, I feel like I'm learning how to dance and I'm just falling over my face.
That was it. Just gotta stay smooth on there.
Ow! There's a lot of things wrong with your brain. It's easy, it's just complicated. What? Ow! You know, I'm so not used to grabbing it with my left hand. Skateboarding Made Simple, Volume 1. Let's go.
It's the easy way to grab it. You grab it sideways, it's gonna be.
Yeah, I missed it, you see? Butterfingers.
It's 5 things.
Oh!
All right, next trick, next trick. That took me all day,
It took 10 minutes, dude. Come on.
maybe even a
That
night.
literally took like 6 minutes.
Sign up, BrailleSkateboarding.com for private lessons with moi.
Have you ever done a 1-foot backside 50-50?
No, I can't even backside 50-50. What? Can we just ride? How about we just
Yeah,
ride?
just a riding one. That'd be good.
Right, yeah. It's just called the 1-footer, and I like to do like sex changes out of it or like body rails out, just to add difficulty. But
Dude, what did he say? Was that like appropriate?
okay, so the trick to this is it's like falling onto a box.
Yeah.
But you're obviously gonna want to land on 1 foot. So to prepare for that, you want to have your front foot kind of further back, closer.
No.
Yes.
No, you
When
don't ollie like that.
So that way, when you slide up, you're already like right here, as opposed to starting right here. You're like
And then when you slide up, you leave your foot like that, or you put
No,
it?
I try to like twist it like that.
Oh, dude. And then you land and you roll like this.
Little known fact, that's my quad flip foot position. That's so smooth.
Try to keep it forward like that.
I think you did. Do it again.
Okay.
Unless there's some other like tips.
Yeah, it is mostly sideways.
And then he goes to switch.
I think Aaron's got this.
I hope he does. A little like, it
Not
looks
happening.
easy, but it's scary, dude. Makes your heart drop when you go for it.
I feel like it wouldn't be scary, but it is.
I got your back, Carlos.
What? Oh, he gone.
I think he's just happy he doesn't have to do it again.
Yeah, I think so.
Faster than I thought.
Yeah, that was insane.
That's good.
All right, Carlos, you got to do it too. He back.
It's my signature move right there.
All right, Carlos, next.
I used to always get you on a game of skate. Back in LA.
No, dude! I got that.
You're cheating.
Look, for this trick, you can use either foot. What it really is applying pressure to make the board flex on each side.
Is it easier with tight trucks?
It doesn't matter.
Don't lie
So what
to
you
me.
do is you press like towards the wheel on either foot, whatever you feel like. What foot you want to keep with?
Show me how to flip it first and then I'll decide.
So what you're doing here is you're applying pressure like to lift up the wheel. As you're doing that, you're turning into it.
Yeah.
And then your foot gets under.
I see now.
You don't use your leg, you use your foot.
Okay, so this is my idea of how this would work, is I just kind of start there and just use this to go like that. But that's not gonna work, is it?
Your foot's gonna go under automatically, but it's up to you to flick your foot.
Old school kickflip. This is on the website.
Just pull it up.
Ow, dude, I pinched my nuts.
Dude, these tricks are not hard, just nobody ever asked to learn.
They're not hard, right?
Dude, that was it.
As soon as your foot gets under the board, as soon as you feel that, just lift your foot up.
Well, I could land that right there.
It's easiest when your foot's in the center of the board. When you're right here, the board will flip in a different angle. If you go center, it flips just exactly where it's at.
So Thanos was right. Like there?
And just learn it.
Dang, that hurts. Does it hurt the top of your foot? Okay, Chris, let's go. I feel like he's doing it like real good.
Jump higher for it.
Oh yeah, I need a minute.
Rebate.
Too much heel drag?
Now you don't ever have to worry about that.
Oh
I'm just like flipping it way too
Don't worry
much.
about that in game of skate ever again. dude.
no! Right, because I'm fully consistent and persistent.
I smell bacon.
Dude, toe flipped Manny.
Dang
give
it,
these guys
Chris!
Wow.
If I land it right here, I think we tie. All right, trick foe. For you guys at home, the easiest thing to do on that one is to turn your foot underneath like he said. Just listen to Carlos, okay?
Turn into it. As soon as your foot hits the bottom of the board, just lift up. Not your leg, your foot. Just flick it.
Don't tell me what to do, Carlos.
Let's do it all in sequence on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dang! First try, every try.
There's two tricks that I want to decide.
You can do both.
Tell me.
Okay. Okay, how do you feel about doing a nose pick or blunt sides down the bank?
Oh,
yes.
that one, not the blunt
okay,
slide.
that's why I wanted to ask.
Dude, I'll die on that. The blunt slides on the bank.
You want to do a nose pick?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, the blunt slides on the bank, that's crazy. Okay. Unless we do that one, maybe.
You can start. He can start here. We'll do both.
Both?
Yeah.
No, this is trick 4. We ain't going 6.
No, there's only trick 3, isn't it?
No, that was trick 3.
Okay.
So that's why I wanted to ask which one you guys wanted
okay.
to do.
Oh,
You
okay.
already did it.
Okay.
The trick is this. You just do it. I don't know.
The world's. That's what's wrong with tutorials, guys. The trick is you just do it. Just kidding.
just
Go.
gotta do it.
Just go.
I'm gonna show you real quick. That's what you gotta do.
So for all of you at home, now that you've learned it, go get them, guys.
I actually have been wanting to try this too. So how could you do that?
I've been not wanting to try this. Go ahead.
Wow.
It's like a manual power slide, and you can use your heel to kind of just like balance.
Well, I didn't know it was like cheater. Okay, okay.
You got it done, big bang. Let's go.
I'm out! All right, that was trick 4. Let's go trick 5. I'm really banging him out here.
All right.
You're gonna learn how to primo slide.
Primo slide?
Everybody does the wrong thing. You have to do something to initiate the slide when you hit primo. Because everybody who does primo, they tend to stiffen up their legs right off the bat.
Everyone who goes primo falls. That's why you don't land primo.
If you're riding straight and you land like this, it's not gonna slide at all. Your job is to like absorb the impact.
How about we just jump and land like that, and that's the trick?
Oh no.
No.
When you land on the primo, just bend your knees. And then it'll start sliding.
Oh yeah, it makes total sense.
If you stiff, you lose all balance.
Where's the helmet? I can't go primo. I can't. I don't. It doesn't go.
You can go.
Why are you laughing? This is safety. It's not a joke. Yeah, you know I'm gonna crack my dome on this. I think that's why you chose it. Holy. All in the ankles, he says. It'll be easy, he says. Bend your knees, he says. Dude, I think I used to be able to do this when I was about 11 years old. Let's do a hill flip trick. That would be easier. No, for real? I'm there?
All you gotta do, okay? Just nudge your front foot. And look, you see how I can't get out of it? All you do to get out of it, okay, is just do a shove it. Literally how you shove it on a flat board.
Oh, right. All right. What?
Good, just stand on it. Now bend your knees to get it sliding.
All right, I got this. I don't need your help.
Oh, yeah.
Chop it up with the 2 left one, make it a little easier.
A little easier?
Trust me.
I'll make it a little harder. We're here to learn, Carlos. Dude, I'm just gonna shove it and land primo again and die. You look so good, Chris. See? Carlos goes, he's not bending his knees at all.
Oh, you got that.
The funny thing is, I've come into the Braille house on Sunday and seen him teaching this to like 5-year-olds. Straight up. This is like one of those things that's 99% Mento.
Is it Mentos?
You're right there, you just gotta commit. Just pick it up and make it your own.
Okay,
I don't know why I said that.
I'll just land it now. Nobody needs that in their life. Dude, something about being up like that, just don't sit right in my tummy. Oh, scary. Okay, Chris. Why does he win it every time? He was doing it really good right until we Rochambeaued.
I know. Me too.
I need the toe though, the toe thing.
You just need to put your front foot on. That's all you're missing.
Yes, there was.
I don't feel so special anymore because I gave these guys one of my favorite tricks, you know?
Visualize success. Oh my gosh. I just need to fully commit. Full send right here. Let's go.
What's going on?
Get it together, Chris.
I know. It's Monday.
Wait, Aaron, look at this.
Now I'm gonna die.
That's the most disgusting thing I've ever seen in my entire life. I can't
Aaron,
do
send it, bro.
I can't, boy! Waxes bolts, they said. Okay, Carlos, show us how to do it.
Oh, he pushed it. Okay. He has that. Well, Aaron's gone.
First try!
Get it, Chris. Come on, Chris.
It's not my trick.
2 to make it true, right here.
Like, why can't I just sweep the toe?
Bro! First try! What I've learned from today is that anybody can learn tricks. You guys can too. Dude, it's so frustrating when you don't land it. It's really frustrating. Woo!
Whoa!
Those lessons were gravy.
This is like some sick ploy to promote our skate lessons with Carlos.
Hey,
was 5 tricks,
it's
dude.
pretty accurate, man. I do my best to teach, and based off skill level, I'll give you guys like what I think you're capable of doing. That's really what it comes down to.
5 brand new tricks. I'm level up on Braille Army website. So should you. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn how to skateboard. Each and every single one of you. You can do it.